What's up, everybody? Thunder and Diesel here with another video. So it's like almost, it's about to be 12 o'clock a.m. That's what time the job is about to start. We're here in Alpharetta, right next to the North Point Mall here in exit 9 on Georgia 400. We're here at a Taco Bell. I think we're gonna do millings here at the Taco Bell and then repave. I don't know. On the dispatcher says millings. I don't see nobody except this truck in front of me. When I got here, I only see this truck. It's at a Taco Bell, they're remodeling or something. And I think they're waiting for closing so we can work on it or something. But I don't even see no workers. I don't see no machines unless they're in the back. But we'll see how many hours we get tonight. I'm gonna try to keep this video short. I said last video is gonna be short. Turned out to be like 30 minutes. I'm gonna keep this short. I only have like 30 minutes left on my card, so I'm gonna be quick. I'm gonna show you on the milling process and the dumping process. They might do paving too, like it's called mill and fill. So they millings, we dump it at the same plant, we load up with asphalt, bring it back and pave. So they see what's up. I don't even know if it's here. It's probably here. Look how this fucking parking like this. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's really messed up. Y'all can see it. It's so messed up. Let's see what they say. Alright, so the paving guys are here now. It's 12:30, they're 3 minutes late. Come out. There's a dump truck pulling the trailer, hauling their stuff, the compactor, their skid steer, and their roller. This is the second time I work with these guys. First time was last week. Was it Monday? No, it was Friday. Last Friday. The paving over there in McDonough. And we can see the machine right there. That's a milling machine. That's the first time I've seen one of those. I'm used to seeing the bigger ones, like the ones like the bigger companies use. So I didn't know that was a milling machine. And that thing folds like that. Look at that. Cool. It's probably slow though, so I don't know. The other ones have like bigger belts. This is how this one is. So yeah, but we're about to start soon. It's like 1:30 exactly. So we've been here about an hour and 30 minutes just sitting, getting paid for nothing. So you see I was working, he's cutting off the road probably like what, 2-3 inches right there. It's a little cat milling machine. It's not even the whole lane. The ones I usually go to, they're a whole lane. It's gonna take a few passes for the whole parking lot. So we just came back here at the, what's it called? This place? I forgot. The asphalt plant. So it looks like we're not gonna be hauling asphalt back because this place is closed. There's nobody here. Like, it's pretty dark, man. It's kind of scary, man. Like, I've been watching too much paranormal and Instagram and Facebook, man. Fuck. Was on my way here, man. There's a lot, like, mile of road. Just, we're gonna put no light up here. Alright, let me just set her down somewhere here. I'm gonna put my light in front of it so I know it's in front of it. So I know where the camera is at, because, you know, I don't know if you watched the last, like, 2 night shifts ago. That was like in July. Then buried my damn camera, man. So yeah, let me just back up and dump this millings. I heard that, man. That scared me, man. The other driver's down there. I was scared the out of me. I'm like, what was that? So it looks like everybody's dumping down there. I'm the only one up here, man. Who is that? Oh, that's a different company. Like, no wonder I'm like, no fresh millings. Like, oh shit. I'm gonna just dump down there because it's kind of sketchy coming up here in the dark. You can't see shit. Check on my bed and make sure it's clean, because it's clean. Last time I came to this plant, I was hauling asphalt. A lot of guys like, don't slam your gate. Fuck it, I don't do it. I don't care if people live here, man. I cut us off all the time. So they're looking at my blue lights, man. I haven't seen them in a while. Gonna be my thumbnail right here. Man, it's so blurry. I think my damn camera's all scratched up. It's kind of blurry. So let's get out of here before we start seeing some. It's dark. It's like 3 in the morning. The other driver just dumped and left. Like, fuck. I don't know if you can see, but I like how my blue lights reflect off like the reflective tape on the cones. Over there, and also reflects on the signs. Now one day I'm gonna connect the strobes to the blues, man. Make it like I'm not gonna use those on the road though, man. That's illegal as well. I already know those cops don't like my blue light. Alright guys, so it's like 7:30. We're still not finished here. I'm about to get my third load in almost 8 hours now. Hell yeah. Get 5 hours, so yeah, man. just 3 loads in all those 8 hours. Barely wasting any diesel, man. Hell yeah. I've only done probably like at least 50% of the parking lot. I don't know, we're gonna pave it, so on my escalators. And let's see what time we're gonna be finished today. I'll let y'all know how many loads, how many hours. Alright guys, so it's about to be 10 o'clock. So it looks like we are gonna do paving today. I just came back to the job site because they need me to clean up, load me up with debris and take it back to the plant and get loaded up with asphalt. We're gonna get at least 12 hours today, so that's good. 12 hours. Started at 12 a.m. See what time we get out today. Hopefully 4. Getting 16 hours left. Yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot to update y'all. So yeah, we're heading home now. It's 3. So basically we did about 15 hours today. That's like the longest I've done that at once. I mean, I've done 3 shifts in a row, like a day shift, night shift, then the day shift, but you know, I had breaks in between. But this time, 15 hours in a row, man. A real trucker can't do that because of black books, you know. But we're local, so I guess it's legal. So no, I'm not even that tired, man. So yeah, we did 4 loads of millings, 2 loads of asphalt. So 6 loads in total, 15 hours total. Yeah, some easy money, and only wasted like a quarter of a tank, man. Shit.